Namaste, my friend all over the India. I'm Ajay. Today I'm staying in Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei, and in this area I saw many of Indian people, business people come to here. They are looking for the electronic product. Everybody know in Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei is the world of electronic product of the world. So more than 80% electricity product are made in here. And the Indian people, Indian businessmen come here, they go to the shop and they want to find the how to connect the factory, but here's only the shop. And the price, of course, the price who are in the shop they offer to you is more expensive. So I'm here to make a suggestion for you. If you are a businessman, you want to buy a wholesaling product, you should find the factory deep in China. For example, in Dongguan or in some mainland, really the factory who are making from the production line. So you can, by this way, you can find the cheap, the low price and the high quality product for you. And 2 months ago, I met your Indian people who making business in Dubai. His name is Ajay. He come here again in Shenzhen. He met me, and we have become friends because we can communicate very smooth, and he is a kind and handsome young man. So I promised him if he want to looking for the factory, for example, the mobile phone factory, for the SIM card, for the charger, the cable, he want to looking for the factory, go deep inside China. I can take him to the factory, can get more lower price. So I'm here in China, in Shenzhen. If you are Indian people, no matter where you are, you want to looking for the factory, electricity product factory. For example, the battery, the cell phone, the cable, everything, electricity product, contact me. I will find the factory for you and I will bring you to the factory. Okay, I'm Ajay. I'm waiting for your calling or message, and thank you. It's your time.
My name is Ajay. I'm from India, Punjab, and I'm living in Dubai. I need like screen protector, like a back cover, case cover, and adapter and cables, like the charging. I need full accessories. I need launch my personal brand from India. I need also ship to India, not here, and also in Dubai. And I'm searching also mobiles, Honor, Huawei, Samsung for India, no, for Dubai, not India. And I need much quantity, like 100 200 pieces like this.